Let me show you how I use Podio for my work. Podio connects all my work processes and all the people I work with in one place. In Podio, you work in spaces. Here are the spaces I created. The intranet space is where everyone in the company gets together. We also have many spaces that are just for smaller teams or for connecting our work with other companies. I have a space for recruitment and one for project management. No matter where I am, I have access to all the spaces I work in, my personal inbox, the contacts of everyone I work with, my calendar, and all my tasks. This is my home. It's where I start every day when I log in. It combines all the activity from the spaces I am in into this one stream, so I get an instant overview of everything I'm involved in. On the right, I have easy access to all my most used spaces and apps. Let's go to the project management space. I created this space for my team to work together on a project. Our bike company is opening a new store with a new office. When I made this space, I invited the people I wanted to work with here. Only those invited to the space can see what's going on here. We have a shared calendar, and I can see all the tasks that people in the space have set each other. These standard apps are all in spaces, but to the right I have more apps. One of the apps I use the most is the End Products app. It breaks down our project's work into manageable chunks. Have a look at this end product. I assigned it to Christine and I set a budget and a deadline. I can also add tasks. When I set a task for one of my colleagues, they are notified in their inbox, but the task also appears here. Notice that this end product is connected to a milestone. The milestone has a description, and the related end products show in the sidebar. This presents the context of everything I'm working on. As we are opening a new store, we will need to hire more staff. I'm also involved in recruiting, so let's go to the recruitment space and see how it's going. We have different apps to suit our recruiting process. The first we use to co-write job descriptions and manage where our job openings are advertised. Next, we review all candidates in the Candidates app. We arrange interviews with the Interviews app. Let's see how they've gone so far. Before the interview, I set the agenda and invited Christine to join me in the interview. Afterwards, I added notes for my team to keep everyone informed. John and I have added comments here. Apps display their activity in the stream, so my co-workers can also see this interview and the comments here. I'm now back at my home screen, where I can see the latest activity of all the spaces I'm a member of. You've now seen how I use Podio to work with groups of people and spaces, with apps solving specific needs, how my work is connected, and how it's shown in my stream. Now you can create as many spaces as you want. Go to the App Store to pick some apps and get inspiration to build your own to fit your exact workflow. Thanks for watching. Connect your work.